Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for mocks effectively. First, create a detailed study timetable, allocating specific times for each subject. Identify your weakest areas early on and dedicate more time to improving them. Gather all your study materials, including textbooks, notes, and past papers, well in advance. This structured approach will help you cover all content thoroughly and reduce last-minute stress, setting a strong foundation for success. Next, master active recall, a highly effective study method. Instead of passively rereading, actively test yourself on concepts without looking at your notes. Use flashcards or self-quizzing to reinforce what you've learned. Crucially, complete timed past papers under exam conditions. This practice helps you manage your time effectively, understand the question formats, and build confidence for the actual mock exams. After completing practice papers, a thorough review is essential. Don't just look at the score. Understand exactly why you made each mistake. Correct your errors and ensure you grasp the underlying concepts fully. If certain topics remain challenging, don't hesitate to seek feedback from your teachers or study with peers. This critical step transforms errors into valuable learning opportunities, strengthening your overall understanding. Finally, prioritize your well-being throughout this period. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of quality sleep every night to optimize brain function. Maintain a balanced diet and stay well hydrated. On exam day, arrive early with all your required stationery, like 2 pens and a ruler. A calm and prepared mind is your best asset for performing at your peak during the mock exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.